Alright, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. We got the 44 Magnum Vor-Tx Barnes. We're going to go ahead and back it out to 200 yards and see if we've got a 200 yard bullet here, at least as far as accuracy goes. Not sure what the speed is going to be going out the CBA. It is an 18-inch barrel, I believe. Alright. Got 2 shots. We're going to see what this does. Grabbed the wrong box. So, see what we do. I'm going with the 3rd ring down. $200 yards. Okay, not gonna make any adjustments. I'm gonna take one more shot. Damn. Thought I brought the other box with me because I was actually going to do a penetration test with this today. Go. Well, it looks like between 150 to 200 yards we're losing it in there. Here's the target. I was aiming on the 3rd ring. I probably, if I would have went down to the 4th ring, probably would have been hitting maybe somewhere up in here. That's about where it would have been aiming on it, because you got the crosshairs on the BDC. Ring, 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 little gap, and then another ring. So I probably should have used that bottom ring. Technically, to hit here, the actual main crosshair was about this high. So aiming up here, that's about 2.5 feet dropping right there, and we are not close together. I mean, yeah, I was wiggling a little bit, but it wasn't wiggling. It wasn't wiggling that. The ring was staying well with on the target. So 200 yards, looking like a no-go. So we are definitely keeping it under 150. So there we go. Now you know.